everybody, today we're going to be making a tabbouleh inspired salad that is gluten-free, grain-free, and lectin-free. Those of you that don't know what tabbouleh is, it is a Middle Eastern salad that's delicious, traditionally made with bulgur wheat. But we're going to put a unique spin on it using broccoli rice and some other ingredients. It is a crowd pleaser, so much so that I'm actually making it for my dad's 80th birthday party tomorrow. Yay, Dad! It's a big milestone. So people go in for seconds and thirds. I've had this at barbecues, parties I've hosted, and people ask for the recipe, and I thought, you know what? I need to bring it onto YouTube and share it with everybody. So we're going to do that today, and I'm going to go over all the different ingredients, but those of you that are new to this channel, what we do is we cover the health benefits too, because everything is intentional, not just full of flavor. And I am a certified holistic health coach. My name is Christy Powers. After placing 2 autoimmune diseases in remission naturally, both lupus and Hashimoto's, it is my joy and my mission to share optimal health with everyone. If you want to learn more about working with me, you can click the link down below, but without further ado, let's get cooking. If you like this video, give it a like. Subscribe if you want more holistic health tips, natural remedies, and lectin-free recipes headed your way. I'm Christy Powers, your holistic health coach, helping you activate optimal health naturally and live symptom-free. I'll see you in the next video.